Chapter 10. The Solar System. Learning Objectives. To understand the solar system, the stars, the satellites, motion of the earth. To find out what is atmosphere, how seasons are formed, about craters. Solar system. Our solar system consists of the Sun, the 8 planets and their respective moons. All the planets are constantly revolving around the Sun in their fixed path called orbit. The planets listed in increasing order of their distance from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Let us read more about every member of the solar system. Sun. Sun is a huge ball of hot gases placed in the center of the solar system. It does not rotate or revolve but remains fixed at one point. The Sun gives out heat and light to all the planets in the solar system. This heat and light has made life possible on the Earth. The temperature of the surface of the Sun is about 5,500 degrees Celsius. Mercury. It is the smallest planet of the solar system and is placed closest to the Sun. It has no moon and is named after the Roman messenger of gods. Mercury is the second hottest planet because of its nearness to the Sun. Venus. It is known as the morning star or evening star. Venus it is the second brightest object visible in the sky after the moon. It is the hottest planet and is placed between Mercury and Earth. Earth. It is the only planet which supports life. It is the third planet from the Sun and has one moon that revolves around it. About 70% of its surface is covered with water. So it is also called the blue planet. The air that surrounds the Earth is called its atmosphere. It protects us from the harmful radiations of the Sun. Mars. It is the second smallest and the fourth planet from the Sun. The soil and rocks on this planet give it a red color. Therefore, it is also called the red planet. It has 2 moons called Phobos and Deimos. Jupiter. It is the largest and 5th planet from the Sun. It has the maximum number of moons of which more than 65 have been identified. Jupiter is also the fastest spinning planet and completes one rotation in just 10 hours. This high speed creates clouds around it that give it a striped pattern. It is the third brightest object in the sky after Moon and Venus. The Jupiter can be seen with the naked eye. Saturn. It is the second largest planet after Jupiter and 6th planet from the Sun. It is known as the ringed planet because of the presence of rings around it. 62 moons revolve around Saturn. It is a cold planet and its surface temperature is about 130 degrees Celsius. Uranus. It is third largest in the solar system and the 7th planet from the Sun. Uranus is the coldest planet where surface temperature may drop to -220 Celsius. It is pale blue in color and was the first planet that was discovered using a telescope. Neptune. It is the 4th largest and the farthest planet from Sun. It has 14 moons revolving around it. Neptune is a very cold planet and is not visible to the naked eye. It has the fastest blowing winds and hurricanes in the solar system. Dwarf planet. Dwarf planets are those planets which do not fall in the category of planets but revolve around the Sun. Pluto, which was earlier classified as the 9th planet, is now known as a dwarf planet. There are many dwarf planets in the solar system but only 5 of them have been discovered and named. These are Ceres, Makemake, Eris, Haumea and Pluto. Satellites. A satellite is an object which revolves around the planet in a fixed path called its orbit. It is also called the moon of the planet. Every planet, except Mercury and Venus, has a moon or moons. There are 2 types of satellites, natural and artificial. Natural satellite. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. It takes 27 days to complete one revolution around the Earth. Moon does not have an atmosphere and light, but it appears bright as it reflects the light of the sun. Like the planets, moons do not have their own light. Its surface is covered with large-sized holes called craters. Life is not possible on the moon as it has no air. Artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are those objects which are made by man and sent into space to orbit a planet. They are launched using powerful space rockets and keep revolving around a planet. The first man-made satellite was Sputnik 1, launched by Russia in the year 1957. Since then, thousands of satellites have been made by different countries. India made its first satellite in the year 1975 and named it Aryabhatta. Stars. Stars are small twinkling objects in the sky which can be seen only at night. They are huge balls of hot gases which produce their own heat and light. They are of different colors and sizes. There are millions of stars in our galaxy, Milky Way, and some of them are larger than the sun. We cannot see the stars during daytime because the sun is much brighter as compared to them. They are far from the Earth, so they look like tiny spots. The sun is the nearest star to the Earth and therefore appears so big and bright. Motion of the Earth. The Earth not only revolves around the sun on its orbit but also rotates on its own axis. The axis is an imaginary the line passing through the North Pole, South Pole and center of the Earth. The Earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees on its axis and rotates from west to east. Another imaginary line that divides the Earth into two equal parts, Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere, is called the equator. The equator is drawn at an equal distance from the North and South poles. Other objects in the solar system. There are some other objects that orbit around the sun. These are asteroids, meteoroids and comets. Asteroids are rocky objects which range in size from about the size of pebbles to around 1,000 kilometers across. They are thought to be leftover material from the formation of solar system. Meteoroids are small bodies moving in the solar system. When they enter the Earth's atmosphere, they burn up and look like fireworks in the sky. Then they are called meteors or shooting stars. Comets are small heavenly bodies that orbit the sun. They are mainly made of dust and ice. Let's revise. In our solar system, the 8 planets and their moon revolve around the sun. The sun is a huge ball of hot gases which provides energy to all the living things on Earth. It is situated at the center of the solar system. Earth is the only planet which supports life. It is the third closest planet to the sun and one moon moves around it. About 70% of Earth is covered with water. Dwarf planets are those planets which do not fall in the category of planets but revolve around the sun. The natural satellite of the Earth is the moon. Stars are small twinkling objects in the sky which can be seen during night.